Today we will be discussing some of the recent news surrounding NIO Stock. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also, Webull is giving 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and now let's begin with our video. The market was down as a whole over stimulus doubts. This caused a drag on NIO even though stimulus hopes don't directly affect NIO individually. But the economy right now needs money being injected into it, or industries like the airlines would be greatly affected. With renewed talks and the possibility of a stimulus before the elections, the markets will naturally move up. Despite that, NIO has been doing well, and was able to break $22 on Thursday, but fell below $22 again to $21. China has the largest and fastest growing passenger vehicle market in the world. In 2019, there were a reported 64 million new vehicles purchased around the world across all automakers, and an estimated 21 million of those vehicles were in China. This is an incredibly astounding number, with China making up around 30% of all new vehicle sales in 2019. The Chinese government is already granting massive subsidies to residents who purchase electric vehicles, especially from domestic brands like NIO, Xpeng, and Kandi. NIO has the big advantage of being a company from China. They will have a big advantage over Tesla, and will have the advantage over other companies trying to get into the EV space more later on. The Chinese government will not want to rely on other countries for their vehicles, especially when EV are becoming more like smartphones. The electric vehicle with their advanced machine learning models will collect a lot of data, and with the tensions between the United States and Chinese government, we can expect that NIO will not be able to expand into the US. Although NIO may not be expanding into the United States, NIO is set to penetrate the European EV market as early as next year. With NIO's increased monthly deliveries coupled with global expansion, NIO stock price has still a lot of growth ahead of it. It is no surprise that this stock is popular on Wall Street and by retail investors looking at NIO as the Tesla of China, possibly achieving the same massive growth that we see with Tesla. NIO's shares look to be priced just like Tesla in 2013, in its similar phase of growth, as strong growth for NIO likely lies ahead. If that is true, that NIO is nowhere close to the exponential growth curve and we can see steady growth over the next decade. It is important to note that EV vehicles in particular aren't like traditional gas vehicles. They are constantly changing and getting better. The engineering is improving, with less moving parts and making the vehicles more reliable. As the technology improves, they will be able to travel further on a single charge, and they will become cheaper, so they would be targeting a larger market. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also, Webull is giving 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and we will see you in the next video.